Hello dear students, I am a computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing about Microsoft Word 2016. In first part we discussed some basics of Microsoft Word. So today we will learn or discuss some text editing features. So without wasting any time let's start. To type any text you just have to click and then you can type anything on the page. To move to the next line you have to click on the enter key, and if you by mistakenly type anything wrong, so you can change it or remove it by clicking on the back arrow key. You can also move the cursor anywhere on the screen by clicking on the arrow keys given in your keyboard. For doing any formatting in your text you just have to select that particular text. So if you want to do any formatting on any text you have to select that part of the text on which you want to do a formatting. After selecting you will get some options. You can also see that option in the home tab in front group, or you can also access these options by just clicking on that box. To select the complete line you just have to click once by your mouse, and you can also drag your mouse to select the more parts. You can also select the complete page by clicking on the select icon and select all, and there is a shortcut key Ctrl plus A by pressing which you can also select the complete text. Now we will learn how to copy any text. To do this you just have to select the text, then you have to click on the copy button in the clipboard group. Now click on the position where you want to paste it and click on the paste option. So it will paste that particular part on the desired position. You can also cut a text. You have to select and then right click and click on the cut option. Now click on the position where you want to paste it. After clicking it will show many options. You have to click on the first one. So it will paste that part on the desired location. So as you can see, so to do any editing you have to just select your text as I said. After selecting you can do many different editing. For example, if I will select the first text, now I can change the size of that text. You can enter the size or you can select any size by clicking on the drop down arrow. So now I will choose a size of 48. So it is looking much better. So now you can also change the size by clicking on that increase font size box. By clicking on that box you can directly increase or decrease the size of your font. You can also change the font type or theme of your font. So it will change the complete theme of your font. Now you can also change the color of your text. To do this you have to click on the color icon given in the font group. You can choose any given color or you can click on the more color option, and by clicking on more color option you can choose any other color. So as you can see it is looking good. Now there are some options like bold, italic and underline. If I click on bold it will increase the thickness of the text. If I click on the italic it will change the text to the italic position, and if I click on underline so it will create underline under the text. So you can also change the text formatting, and you can change the font case to uppercase, lowercase or any other case. We can also highlight the text. To do this you have to select the text. After selecting you have to click on the given option of highlighting a text. As you can see in font group there is an option by written A B with a pencil. So if you click on this option you can select any color for highlighting your text. So it will highlight your text. You can also change the alignment of your text. To do this, you have to select the complete text, and after selecting, you can select the alignment by clicking on the paragraph group. There are many alignment like right, center, left. So I'm going to select the center alignment. So now as you can see, it is looking very interesting. So these are some text formatting. Now we will learn some other options like finding and replacing the text. So to find the text, you have to click on the find option, and you can simply type that text which you want to find. So as you can see, it is showing that text. If I click on the drop down arrow, so it will show the text at the every position on your page. You can also replace the text. To do this, you have to click on the replace option in editing group. So if I click on replace option, so first you have to type the text which you want to replace. Secondly, you have to type the text by which you want to replace that text, and you have to click on the find next. So as you can see, we replaced the text. If you want to replace the text at all the position, so you have to click on the replace all. Now as you can see, it is showing up all done. We made 91 replacement. It means it replaced that word at 91 positions with SR. So it is a very useful tool in MS Word. So I hope now it's clear. So that is it for today. In next video we will learn some other options in MS Word in detail. So that is it for today, students. Thank you so much.